If you are snoring like a freight train, or your snoring can be heard behind closed doors, chances are your loved one or your partner is not getting enough sleep. This is John Mercado and I am the marketing director of Mobilock, and we are running the campaign Snore No More. First off, according to Canadian statistics, 6.4 Canadians have shared that they have been diagnosed with apnea. In this survey, it was found that this condition is prevalent among adults aged 18 years and older. Additionally, 1 in 4 males have been considered to have high risk, which is 5 times higher than the females. Quality sleep is vital to us as it enables our body to repair and carry out other body functions that are otherwise not possible if we are awake. Therefore, as a solution, we are introducing Breathing Relief Nasal Dilator. This anti-snoring aid is by far the best relief, as this can help the sufferers from breathing freely and naturally. Since comfort is our top priority for you, we have designed this small breathing aid with a soft silicone material. It is designed like a vent that widens the nostrils, ensuring less airway resistance in the nasal passage. So what are you waiting for? Try this product and experience good quality sleep.